all of we have to be careful because this is not open. Do not get other innocent people involved, because I can imagine Carlene mourning the death of her sister to wake up and hear this, never know that she was taped and all of this. I am here to stand up for the justice for Andrea's money, for Wayne to come out and explain or give over. That's what I'm here. That's my part. May I go say this to both Wayne and Andrea. Make this thing come, stay in between the two of you, and make it stay about money. Now, what hurt me now, Carlene maybe was looking help on her sister and one, and Carlene had said some things on the voice note. But I am sure it's not Andrea who put it out. I am sure Wayne is on a path to destroy Andrea. Now Wayne, whether Andrea did tape Carlene, which if him did do it, him would have run, I send it to you. I send it to you. If Carlene and Shelley not the speaking terms, and Carlene want to say that are not nothing. That are not nothing. You need to stop one destroy the man at the end of the day, because I don't know how this thing, but I know Wayne put it out. Andrea can't do no posting, and Wayne post it out. At the end of the day, if Andrea record card, because it can go two ways. It can be Andrea who recorded Carlene. He is so wrong. But again, do I know if Wayne have it where everything will come in to that reach to him? But that's why I'm not going about if it's Andrea who recorded Carlene, he is wrong. But when you go put out that Wayne, Carlene have just lost her sister. Now, another thing when I see everybody I run up and I talk about Andrea and Obia. The whole town never know see a Poco Church Andrea go. The whole town never see Andrea tie up him turban and light in candle. So wait then now, if I have me want to know what is Obia now, come here look somebody for Obia me. Now if Andrea, so what the Catholic use candle. So that means to say if Andrea only didn't know. No, Andrea never hide it. Me not see what not going for, because to say Andrea never hide it. Saying guy in Poco and him revival church, him show all the video. He never hide it. Him never talk and I say him a go in a mount. Andrea never hide it. So what's so strange? So therefore we don't know, and it don't make no sense. Wayne, stop it. Andrea cannot post, and why would Andrea come out and post something to incriminate himself? And this now, I really feel sorry for Carlene. I really feel sorry for her. This is why you see me, anything when me have to talk, you can't talk, because I say this is why you know people don't trust people. Because how could this conversation should never be out in public? Me personally don't need to know. Because what the panic, who are there with who, who are going to use, because I'll forget back famous. Yes, we have known Carlene, if she had said it on social media, she have lost her house as a single mother, her sister sickness, and everything she had got. And this is why I said this is very, you might feel you're hurting Andrea, but for me, you are hurting people. You are hurting both Shelly. We don't know if she's a married woman. We don't know if she have her man. No, maybe Shelly didn't even want it to know. Maybe the man is even a married man. You don't know. You're breaking people. This thing with one, it's going out. Stop. Both need to stop. Deal about the money. This thing is going on. People is getting hurt in this. And as I said, I don't sure how this voice note reach out, whether it's whether it's Andre who recorded. I'm telling you, I am sick to my stomach with this. I'm weak. Whether it's Andre who record or it's Wayne who get the recording and put, but I'm sure Wayne put it out because Andre can't post. No, that old Carlene, we don't know if this man is a married man. Everything come out and it's just sad. Because at the end of the day, you can say, look, Carlene had went over there to get help for her sister. And look, she gone over there with Bangarang. Go and watch. Oh, it's just sad. It is just bitter, sad, and other people I get hurt. Because I can't, when I hear it this morning, when I heard this thing this morning, I'm telling you, I was sick to my stomach. I was weak to my knees because I can imagine how Carlene feel this morning. This is thing here. She has her daughter. This is a woman of family. Just went through her sister tragedy. It is terrible. Think before. You're not only destroying Andre, you're destroying people. This doesn't look good on Carlene. This don't look good on Carlene no time at all. This don't look good on the man and thing there. This doesn't look good on Shelly either. So in other words, Wayne and Andre gonna keep people out down on nastiness. And I think, and I still love Andre. I'm still gonna talk about the money, but right is right for me. I don't know. This is what I tell you. This thing with this third party thing. I am somebody, if you can tell me something and I will not talk. People must learn to keep their mouth. And why does that have to be on recording? So you people have an intention to destroy people? Because the conversation I don't even know how to screen record and screenshot on my phone. That's nasty. And people must try to keep people out of the nastiness. Because this thing with Wayne and Andre should not. So much people get mixed up in it now. Poor Carlene, poor Shelly, poor man a digital man could have him wife and pick them to backside and hear him name one Bangarang. And if you don't mind chat, more are gonna come out. This is what I'm saying. Did you hear what I said? Even if Andre was the one who recorded Carlene, it's Wayne who put it out. I've said that, you know. Even if it's Andre is the one that recorded him and Carlene and him talking, it must be Wayne who put it out. The person who recorded, whether Wayne have the device set up wherever call, because I'm telling you, you know what happened to me? It was my daughter who let I know. My last son father had I don't know how him do it. I have my phone with my WhatsApp, but every WhatsApp message that used to come to my phone used to go to his phone. It was my daughter who told me. I could not believe my daughter said to me, "Mommy, be careful how you're talking on phone. Because every message that goes to your phone," and I was sitting there on my phone pinging, hear him phone pinging. My daughter told me, I think that time my daughter was like 11 or 12. And one day he came home, and never forget, because he had 2 jobs. And he put down the car key and the phone, and he didn't have a lock on his phone. And all the name and all the message I could see. And the way I get vexed, I took the phone, and outside where I was living, it was rough. And I break the phone right there. He looked for that chip, he looked for that chip, and then my baby father was the one who let I put a lock on my phone. If it wasn't for my daughter, luckily I wasn't not a woman that sleep around and all those things. It was just normal things like work and so. So I know what, I don't know how he have done it, but he was there, and every message that was coming in on my phone was going to his phone. Every WhatsApp message, and my daughter was the one who told me. I was so upset and so mad. Tell him say him not married to me. I mean, I'm underage pick me. So it happened to me. But again, I am not blaming the one who. I'm not blaming Carlene. I'm not blaming Shelly. The one, and this is why I said if it's Andre who recorded Carlene, that was very bad, that was very nasty, that was very rude, and whosoever, and I understand you say allegedly, I'm not going to say no allegedly because Andre cannot post. I'm not play hypocrite. Andre cannot post. So it must be Wayne who put out that. And why would Andre have a conversation with Carlene and put it out? Carlene will come out and do a live. And this is a life lesson. Carlene, girl, hold on in there. I know you are the first. And if you are shelling and talk, that's what Jamaican do. That is what Jamaican do. So, don't make that worry you. Shelly, you have to understand you and Carlene are no friend. Whether you're guilty or you're guilty not, I feel underneath. And that's about it. Everybody got them fair ways, and people be careful per phone. Be careful per phone, because I look at things say me self the dick, be careful. All of we have to be careful, because this is not okay. And when people and people have problem, keep on nastiness one-on-one. Do not get other innocent people involved, because I can imagine Carlene mourning the death of her sister, to wake up and hear this, never know that she was taped and all of this. And again, we have all know that Andre going Poco in Revival Church. Be careful. Be careful of people. Not afraid for what going to the cemetery, because they say who lie down in the cemetery cannot do you anything. People. Because this what is going on now with Wayne and Andrea, it should never reach to this. And again, me say the love of money is the root of all evil, because there's a lot of people who reach out to me now, because I said, I don't know, all of a sudden, a lot of people, 13 this, 13 that. And I am not going to say everybody have them own opinion on this thing with Andrea. But will I tear down Andrea now? If we never did go up underneath me and him wouldn't be having this bangarang on social media. I'm not taking down none of my video them when I put up about Wayne up there. It going to stay up there. It is too rude. The Bible tell you about man, because I say again, me really feel it for Carlene into this. I feel it for Shelly, and I feel it for the man I only whoop wifey, because this thing people can get hurt. And when I say hurt, I mean physically hurt, emotionally hurt, because I say you have to wonder, this is a deadly deception. This is a deadly deception. This is what I said. I don't know. This is why I said it. I can't say it more. I can't say explain it no more better. In not a better way. I said if Andre was the one that recorded Carlene, whether he had sent it to Wayne or Wayne have him device set up Andre wrong. No, Andre cannot post and do those things. Wayne is the technician behind the screen, and Wayne do them. And if Wayne must keep the nastiness in it. If he really put it out, which in way Andrea, and why would Andrea put himself in that position? Terrible voice note go out with Andrea and dancehall queen Carlene attack about Shelly, nasty and dirty. Shelly must see the one lady, she have a talk program, I forget her last name, where she had the one who must SSL did serve letter, something like that. So our office must be the near Andrew office where she and Andrea that them fair share the other day. Come here, Andrea did that deal with her over there where I think she sell all wig too. Me no know Shelly, I've never watched Shelly program. I heard about her, we see something, but I don't know not much about her. I know Carlene from one time I did a run up in the dance hall. Then time she and Pinky Stush then take limousine come a dance, and with them time the yes I know she from there, so from in a dance hall days. Not type nobody name prior coming no want nobody sue me. You see how you are gonna make them come sue me and tear down my piece of platform. Yes, so it is sad. And Wayne and Andrea must keep this thing one-on-one. And Wayne, instead of you posting out, come out with the receipt and the money. Andrea still need him money, and I still a fight for Andrea money.